everyone. How to be mindful, how to stay in the present moment, how to slow down in our life. This is very, very, very important because nowadays we are so busy in our life. We're always thinking ahead. What's the next minute? What's happening in the next hour? What happens tomorrow? What happens day after tomorrow? What happens in an year? So we are always thinking ahead and we forget to slow down, to breathe and use all our five senses. It's very, very important to use all our five senses and be present. Be in this moment. There is a reason why it is called as present. So it's a gift for us. Today is a gift. Now is the gift. So enjoy the moment now. How do we do that? There's a very, very easy and simple technique to do that. It's living through all your senses. This technique is very, very easy. Sometimes it's hard to slow down and notice many things in this busy world. Focusing our attention on the present moment has so many benefits for our well-being, our mental health, our physical health. Let's experience the environment through all our senses. Let's use all our five senses: see, hear, touch, smell, feel. So make it as a habit every single day and see how your life changes magically. You slow down, you start paying attention to what is important in your life, and you will be in the present moment, which is very, very, very important in our life. Look around and focus your attention on five things which are insignificant for you. Look for something small. It could be a shadow, a butterfly, a bird. It could be a shadow or a reflection, a tree or a leaf, a bird, or even the clouds. Explore every aspect of its formation, how it is formed, how does it look, what color is it, and how does it interact with the light. Focus on each for a minute or two. So these are the five things which you're going to focus on for 1 minute or 2 minutes. So that's your first senses, see. Look through your eyes. And now the next one will be 4 things which you can feel. It's very important to feel. Sometimes we forget how we feel. Just feel your hands and say to yourself how soft I am, how beautiful I am. 4 things that you can feel. This is our second senses. Bring awareness. What do you feel? How do you feel? What do you feel? Is it soft breeze on your skin? Maybe the texture of your cloth or an object which you are touching with the tip of your fingers. Is it soft? Is it hard? Is it cold? Is it hot? Hold your attention on these things for a few minutes. So this will be your second senses, your feel. 3 things you can hear. Listen around. Where are these sounds coming from? Are there any birds singing? Or is that a traffic noise? Or is there a baby crying? Or is there a music which is playing in the background? Or is someone laughing? Pay attention to these things and dive in those sounds for a few minutes. So you will be using your senses, feel. 2 things that you can smell. You're going to use your senses, smell. Recognize and focus on the smells. What do you smell? Is it a smell of a food? Is that a smell of a flower? Is it a smell of a fruit? What does it smell? Recognize and focus on the smells. It could be some flowers if you're staying outside, or it could be the smell of a food coming from a restaurant. Pay attention to this and dive into that for a few minutes. 1 thing that you could taste. Now this is the sense of taste. Sip a drink or take a bite and pay attention to the taste. How does it feel? Is it sour? Is it sweet? Is it spicy? Is it hot? Is it salty? Is it fruity? Just pay attention to the taste. What does it taste like? Dive into that for a few minutes. During the following month, try to be mindful and experience the present moment. Bring your attention to your sensations, which we normally forget to do in our busy life. So this will help you to keep in track and start paying gratitude for all your 5 senses, So start paying gratitude to your five senses. See, because of your eyes, you can see. Pay gratitude to your eyes. Because of your ears, you can hear. Pay gratitude to your ears. Because of your skin, you can feel. So pay gratitude to your skin. Because of your tongue, you can taste. So pay gratitude to your tongue. Because of your nose, you can smell. So pay each and every organ of our body, each and every part of our body is very important. Many of the times, those are the things which we neglect. We never care for our body. We never care for our senses. We never care for the ones which is very, very important for us. So this exercise will help you to pay attention and to pay gratitude to each part of your body and each senses of your body, and will lead you to a beautiful path of being mindful and being in the present moment. This is very important for us to live a positive life, being present in this moment and enjoying the present moment, what we are living in, and enjoying being thankful and grateful for all the things, all the people, all the experiences, all the situation which we have in our life. This is very, very important. Once we start paying attention to these little things in our life, and once we start paying gratitude for all these things, all these beautiful things, all these beautiful people who are in our life, and all the great opportunities which we get in our life. So for every little thing, when we are being thankful and grateful, you see how magically your life changes, and you will start living a very positive and happy life. So start living in the present moment and be grateful and thankful for everything you have in your life. Hello everyone, my name is AnithaShastry and my channel's name is Prerane-AnithaShastry, means inspiration. So I make videos in law of attraction, manifestation, and give you simple tips and tricks to manifest your dreams easily and live a happy and successful life. So if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share with your friends and families. You never know who needs these videos, who needs one little message to change their entire life. So be that one person who can inspire and who can motivate others just by giving them the support they need and encouraging them and motivating them and supporting them and helping them to live a happy and successful life. This is my motto and this is what I am living for. And I hope you enjoyed my video. And dream big, think positive. Everything and anything is possible in our life. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.